Well, we just moved into our brand new house after that tornado that destroyed the other one. I need something to occupy me while we move in. I am going to play some Super Smash Flash on my laptop. Wait. Maybe I should watch the news to see if anything is happening.
Welcome to Go Animate City Entertainment City News. Well, as some of you know, Go Animate City was destroyed by a massive tornado. Anyway, a massive volcano has surfaced along the coastline of Itamina City. All residents are advised to hide in their homes, or evacuate.
Oh shit. I need to hide. Or, I could push my dad outside to go die so I won't get grounded anymore. Daddy, there is a sausage truck outside giving out free sausages.
Oh boy, free sausages. I love sausages. Time to go get some. Thank you for telling me. Where is the sausage truck? I want my free sausages. Oh fuck.
Ha 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 ha, my dad just got fucked up. That volcano didn't hurt me at all.
Caillou. Boris just died from the volcano, wah wah wah.
Good. I hate Daddy. Now I can't get grounded. I told him to go out and die.
You did what? That's it. You are grounded for 99996345693459756 years. I am going to bust your damn head open. Stay in your room forever. Fuck you, bitch asshole.
Wah.